The International Temples Project, ITP, is one of the most exciting spiritual developments of our time, and its beneficial effects are being felt throughout the world. The ITP was established by Venerable Geshe Kelsang Gyatso Rinpoche to enable as many people as possible to enjoy inner peace. Geshe Kelsang Gyatso is a renowned contemporary meditation master and holder of the Ganden oral lineage of Mahamudra, who has pioneered the introduction of modern Buddhism into contemporary society. Since being invited to the West in 1977, he has given thousands of teachings, composed 22 widely acclaimed books on Buddhism and meditation, established over 1,200 meditation centers around the world, trained hundreds of qualified meditation teachers, and developed practical study and meditation programs designed for the modern world. All of these gifts that Venerable Geshe has given to the world are steps towards fulfilling his vision for world peace. He is showing us how to create peace in the world through creating peace in our own hearts. With peaceful minds, we wish only to benefit and never harm one another, and it is only in this way that our world can be transformed. The ITP provides the external conditions for people to receive Buddha's teachings and learn how to practice them in their daily lives. To this end, the ITP establishes a wide range of contemporary Buddhist institutions throughout the world. All these institutions provide a public service that exemplifies the Buddhist faith. The Dharma taught at NKT centers is known as Modern Buddhism or Kadam Dharma. It is a special presentation of Buddha's teachings for the modern world that offers practical advice on how to solve daily problems and maintain a peaceful and happy mind all the time.
In general, we live in very hectic cities, and there is a lot of crisis, political crisis, social crisis, economical crisis. So people feel that they can't find happiness in external sources, and they are looking for new ways of happiness. And our Dharma Center offers inner peace, and through meditation people can connect with inner peace and therefore transform their lives, and that gives meaning to their lives. And that gives us hope that we can bring happiness and peace in our cities.
This precious gift to the people of the modern world has been transmitted by Venerable Geshe Kelsang Gyatso Rinpoche from a pure lineage of Sutra and Tantra masters that date back to Buddha himself. Even though they can be applied on many levels in daily life situations, the meditations of this lineage contain the entire path to enlightenment.
Well, in Asian countries, we naturally tend to develop faith and respect to Buddhism, to Buddha and his teachings. We regard Buddha as someone who is powerful, who can protect us, and we respect his teachings being very profound. And to understand the teachings, you seem to have to be very special, high-level being. However, Kadam Dharma gives a very clear and practical presentation, especially make me realize that I can actually practice these teachings, gain experience and even realizations of not just part of Buddha's teachings, but the entire spiritual path, all the way to enlightenment.
Qualified teachers are very important and one of Venerable Geshe's greatest gifts to the world, because without qualified teachers, people cannot hear Dharma.
Understanding the need for qualified teachers of Kadampa Buddhism, Venerable Geshe Kelsang Gyatso has devised a program called the Special Teacher Training Program, or STTP, which is an international program run by NKT from Manjushri Kadampa Meditation Center in the English Lake District, the mother center of modern Kadampa Buddhism. The purpose of the program is to train qualified teachers with a special emphasis on helping those who wish to become